I can't get myself together. Okay, hope we are good and center and in focus.
Pretty young girl from Zambia, you know that she ain't with the drama. Light skinned girl Osama, you know she the bomb, she cause trauma.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's Nyemba and I create YouTube content which you should subscribe to. Okay, so for today's video we're talking shmoney, we're talking dollars, we're talking pounds, we're talking euros, we're talking shmoney. Okay. So yeah, for today's video I'm just gonna explain to you guys how to get monetized on YouTube, how much I got as my first ever YouTube pay, and just all that stuff to do with YouTube and with money. So yeah, stay tuned. Don't forget to thumbs this video up, share it with somebody who might find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe, and when you do subscribe, click the little bell button next to the subscribe button so that you're notified every time I upload. Without further ado, let's just get right into it. Before we proceed, real quick, I am wearing a shirt by Kombe Collection, which is my older sister's brand, and this is all like handmade, you guys. Like, oh wait, look at that, it's really cool. So yeah, if you want a Kombe Collection shirt, just hit her up on her Instagram, which is right here. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to start with is popular beliefs of how you make money on YouTube. I've heard people think you make money by how many views you have or per 1,000 subscribers or whatnot, and that's not how it is currently. That's how it used to be. I'm not sure how much YouTube used to pay per like 1,000 views or something like that, but that was like back when I started, so I really wasn't, you know, into how much I was getting paid because really I didn't start for the money. But yeah, I remember that many big YouTubers never used to disclose how much they made because it was like a partnership between them and YouTube, and yeah, they used to get paid per 1,000 views or whatever it was, but that's not the case. So yeah, you don't get paid by the views or by your subscriber count. Just getting that out there first and foremost. First and foremost, Jesus Christ, I cannot talk. Now, how do I get monetized, you may ask, which I've gotten that a lot. How to get monetized on YouTube. Basically, YouTube changed its rules. I can't remember when, but in recent times, if it wasn't last year, it was the year before that, like 2017 or 2016. I really don't remember. I will have the correct year up, like of when they changed their guidelines. Basically, to get monetized on YouTube, you have to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and a minimum of 4,000 hours of annual watch time on your channel. Yeah, that was a mouthful. But those are the requirements to get monetized, basically. And yes, you can get monetized anywhere in the world. My Google Adsense account is basically where I'll explain in a minute, is my address there is Zambian. So people are asking, how do I get monetized in Zambia? Can I get monetized in Zambia? Yes, you can. Like, it's available everywhere. So how this works, the whole monetizing thing, you have your 1,000 subscribers, you have your 4,000 hours of watch time, and you have to keep track of that yourself because YouTube will not tell you when you meet those thresholds. So yeah, keep tabs. I suggest downloading the YouTube Studio app because it shows you your analytics and you're able to track all of that stuff, okay? So once you have those, you sign up. I can't remember how you do it exactly, but like you submit like kind of like an application to be monetized, to become a YouTube partner. That's what they call it. And once you're approved, you're able to monetize your videos. So how this works is they then give you a Google AdSense account, and Google AdSense is what pays you ultimately. YouTube itself doesn't pay you. So yeah, the payments come from Google. So Google places ads in your videos, and the ads are what make you money. So when people watch the ads, you get a certain amount. It depends. I don't even know if it's not a fixed amount, but it's like cents basically from people watching the ads that pop up on your videos. So those of you who watch the ads on my videos, thank you very much. You put coins in sis' pocket, okay? So yeah, where are we? Google AdSense. So once you have your Google AdSense account, it will ask you to put in an address, your bank details. What else does it ask for? Yeah, I feel like that's it. Like basically your address and your bank details, because that's what they need. So in order to start receiving money, they need to send you a postcard to whatever address you put there, and that postcard has like a 4-digit PIN or something that you need to enter in Google AdSense to verify your account, basically to verify that it's you. And yeah, it's a verification PIN basically. Now, the problem with living in Zambia and having a Zambian address in my Google AdSense account and having really crappy postal service in Zambia is that that postcard never arrived. I requested for it once, didn't come. Requested for it twice, did not come. Requested for it the third time. I actually changed the address and made it not our personal home address but my aunt's workplace, which is Bank of Zambia, and it arrived 6 months after I requested for it. What? So after the third time of requesting it, Google themselves said, no, you've requested for this PIN too much. Another way of verifying your account is to send us an official document that has your address on it. And I'm thinking, like, what official document do I have here while I was in the UK that has like my official Zambian address? So I'm thinking and I found that my tuberculosis certificate had the address on it. So I just took a photo of that, sent it to them, and within literally less than 15 minutes my account was approved. And I was like, what the heck, I could have done this the first time, you know? Anyway, so yeah, so after I verified my account, ads started popping up on my videos, and that's how I started to make money. So what that is, they have a threshold. They won't pay you when you make $1 or £1 or €1, whatever. My Google AdSense account is in euros. I don't know why, but it is. So they have a payment threshold basically. So the minimum for my threshold is €70. So once it reaches that €70 point, then they pay out the money. Yeah, it took me, I want to say, I need to think, maybe about let me see, May, June, July, I'm just gonna say like 4 months-ish to reach my threshold, and I actually surpassed it, which it came to like €74. Yeah, like €74. I'll put a screenshot if I can. And yeah, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna get paid, oh my gosh, it's lit. So I had like my bank details there, and because my address was Zambian, they had to have a Zambian bank, yeah, like a Zambian card attached to, yeah, whatever, the payout. So I had my Zanaco card there, and then they sent me an email saying the payment had failed to go through, so I had to like go to the bank and check what was up. But then they have multiple payout methods rather, so they can pay you through direct bank transfer, they can pay you through Western Union, or they could send you a check in the mail. I'm not sure if there's another option, but those three are like the main ones. So when the bank thing didn't work, I decided to use Western Union because I wasn't about to risk them sending me a check and it not arriving, and yeah, mess. So yeah, and when you're using Western Union, they ask you to put someone else's name independent of the name that's on the account, so you can't use your own name. So I put Dom's name, and I was like, okay, let's go get this money in it. So we go to Western Union, and we actually had a really rude teller, but anyway, that's not the point. And my €74 translated to, hold on, I have the receipt right here. It was actually, yeah, 74.81. So my €74 and 81 cents, I guess. I don't know what the cents for euros are. Yeah, 81 cents. Translated to 1,052 kwacha and 97 ngwe. So yeah, my first YouTube money was a little over 1,000 kwacha, which is not bad at all. I was so gassed. I was like, what? This is insane. Like in euros, it doesn't even sound like a lot, like it's €74, but in kwacha, it's like 1,000 kwacha for doing what I love. What? Run me my money, Google. Run me my money. My dollars, even though it's not dollars. My euros, my kwachas, like, give them to me, okay? But yeah, that's pretty much what it was. That's what it is. It's not a lot to it, really. I just say continue doing what you do. Hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. Get those 4,000 hours of watch time. Continue grinding, because Google won't start paying you soon, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any more questions, you could just leave them down below or DM me on Instagram or Snapchat. That's usually where I am. But if you don't follow me on Twitter, follow me there too. You can ask me questions. And yeah, all my social media links are always down in the description box, together with any other info you may need, really. But yeah, you can always ask me questions. That's the point of me rambling on. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this. I hope it was informative in some aspect, in some manner. Yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Toodles!